Some kids use AAC to augment their verbal speech because their intelligibility is low, or in other words, they're difficult to understand. So they may use a communication system to support communication repairs. On Proloquo2Go, you can find a page called Clues that allows the student to use different symbols to help their communicator know what they're talking about. For instance, they may tell their partner, "I'm talking about something that's happening in the future, something that's going to happen," or that they'll spell it. If kids can find the category of the word they're trying to say and the first letter, it often helps their partner understand what the word they're trying to say. Many AAC apps on the iPad have this option. If you go to Amazing Kids AAC Consulting, you can find this website that shows similar pages on lots of AAC apps like PD Snap, Avaz, Grid, and many more.